Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can fix your Roblox if it is not opening any games or just generally crashing or generally kicking you out while you lose games, or if you just cannot connect the game itself. Don't worry, it's a fairly simple fix. We will only try a few things and we will make sure it opens correctly and perfectly this time. The first thing I can actually tell you guys to do about is to just actually restart our PCs. Sometimes some updates take place and of course they need you to actually restart your PC, and if you have missed this restart process, your game might not open correctly. And of course, if you don't know how to restart, you can just go into the Windows icon, click open and close, and then just select restart your game. Restart your PC. And of course, if you don't know how to generally restart your PC on anything other than button, you can just go here, select open and close, and then just select restart, which closes the computer and then opens it back up to make sure any updates can fully take place. And let's say you restarted the computer and you still couldn't open the game correctly, or generally you started to open a game and it didn't let you open. What can we do when that happens? When that happens, we can do two things. Actually delete the game and reinstall and get the game from Windows Store. If you don't know how to delete your game, you would have to right click the Windows button, go into Apps and Preferences, and then find Roblox in this section. You would just search Roblox here, which I don't have right now because I deleted it for the video, but you will be able to find Roblox when you actually search it here. And then just click on it and say delete. After deleting the Roblox, we can do one more thing to make sure it works perfectly. So if you have deleted the Roblox from your computer fully and make sure every file is gone this time, we will go into Microsoft Store. And after going to the Microsoft Store, I will search, of course, Roblox. And then download the game from Windows Store itself. And of course, after we download our game from the Microsoft Store itself, it will mostly work perfectly, and if your game crashes again, you will always be able to report the mistake to Microsoft directly to make sure they actually log it up and try to find a fix for your general error. So guys, I hope this video helped you, and after this, if you still have any other questions or any other problems, you can always tell us down in the comment section. And of course, if you like the video, you can always like and subscribe, and in any other case, we hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.